Good morning, students. Today we discuss a new concept of graph theory, which is minimal degree of a graph. All of you clear the idea of degree of a graph. What is degree of graph? All of you know that the degree of all the vertices of the graph, sum of all that's degree is called as degree of graph. Now here we discuss minimal degree of a graph. So what is minimal degree? Let G be a connected graph. Degree of minimum degree vertex. Remember, degree of minimum degree vertex of that graph G is called as minimal degree of graph G, and it is denoted as delta G. This notation is called as delta of G. So degree of minimum vertex of that graph G is called as minimal degree of the graph G. Consider here example of graph. This graph contains 7 vertices. Here the vertex V1 has degree 2, vertex V2 has degree 2, vertex V3 has degree 3, V4 has degree 1, V5 has degree 1, V7 has degree 4 and V6 has degree 1. So minimum degree of this graph is 1. So vertices V4, V5 and V6 has only degree 1. So minimum degree of this graph is 1. Therefore delta of G for this graph is equal to 1. Okay. Now next concept, and it is important concept of graph theory, which is Eulerian graph and Hamiltonian graph. First we see Eulerian trail. Eulerian and Hamiltonians are names of mathematicians. Eulerian trail. If every edge of graph G is included in a trail, then that trail is called Eulerian trail. Now all of you clear the idea of trail. Okay, in last lecture we study the concept of trail. Okay, if every edge of the graph G is included in a trail, then that trail is called as Eulerian trail. Eulerian circuit. If every edge of graph G is included in a circuit, then that circuit is called as Eulerian circuit. Every edge of the graph G is included in a circuit, then that circuit is called as Eulerian circuit. Now what is Eulerian graph? Eulerian graph is the graph that contains an Eulerian circuit. Okay, Euler circuit means which contains all the edges of the graph. Okay, so Eulerian graph is the graph which contains the circuit which contains all the edges of that graph. If that trail or circuit contains all the edges of that graph, then this graph is called as Eulerian graph. Okay, consider here a graph. We find if this graph is Eulerian or not. Okay, so we start with the vertex V2, from V2 to V8, V8 to V9, V9 to V7, V7 to V10, V10 to V11, V11 to V7, V7 to again V2, V2 to V1, V1 to V6, then V6 to V3, V3 to V4 to V5, V5 to V3, V3 to V2, V2 to V6, V6 to V5 and V5 to again V2. So here circuit is closed. We start with V2 and we end with again V2, and we cover all the edges of this graph. Therefore this graph is called as Eulerian graph, since this circuit contains all the edges of the graph. Okay, no edge is repeated. All the edges of the graph contains in this circuit. Therefore this graph is called as Eulerian graph. Okay, This is an Eulerian graph. Now consider one more graph. See if this graph is Eulerian or not. Okay, here also we start with any vertex v1. We get v1 to v2, v2 to v1, v1 to v4, v4 to v2, v2 to v3. Again we get v3 to v2, but there is one edge remaining, which is v3 to v4. Okay, we start with some one another vertex. Suppose we start with v4, v4 to v2, v2 to v3, v3 to again v2, v2 to again v1, v1 to again v2. Okay, here two edges remaining, v1 v4 and v3 v4. This means this graph does not contains, or this circuit does not contains all the edges of this graph. Therefore this graph is not an Eulerian graph. Eulerian graph is the graph which contains the circuit has all the edges of this graph. So this graph is not an Eulerian graph. Okay. Now go for the one more graph, which is Hamiltonian graph. Okay. So first we consider Hamiltonian path. If a vertex set of G is the graph, if vertex set of G is same as vertex set of path P, that is path P spans the vertices of G, then P is said to be Hamiltonian path of G. Okay, that means Hamiltonian path is the path of the graph G which contains all the vertices of the graph. Okay, if the vertex set of G is same as the vertex set of path P. Okay, so number of vertices in the path P and the graph G are same vertices, that is the path P spans all the vertices of the graph G, then only this path is called as Hamiltonian path of G. Hamiltonian cycle. As a cycle C spans vertices of graph G, then such a cycle C is called as Hamiltonian cycle of graph G. Okay, if the cycle spans all the vertices of the graph G, then that cycle is called as Hamiltonian cycle of the graph G. And now Hamiltonian graph is the graph G is called Hamiltonian graph if it contains Hamiltonian cycle. That means Hamiltonian graph is the graph which contains the cycle which has all the vertices of the graph G. So this is the difference between Hamiltonian graph and Eulerian graph. Eulerian graph contains the cycle which has all the edges of the graph, and the Hamiltonian graph is the graph which contains path or cycle which has all the vertices of the graph G. Okay. Now this is example. Consider this graph. Check whether it is Hamiltonian or not. So we start with vertex 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 1. Again 1 to 8, but here the cycle is closed and it does not spans all the vertices of the graph G. So this is not Hamiltonian graph. Okay, बघा या ग्राफमध्ये आपल्याला अशी कुठलीही क्लोज सायकल मिळत नाही की जी सगळे व्हर्टायसेस स्पॅन करेल. अशी कोणतीही सायकल मिळत नाही आहे की आपल्याला सगळे व्हर्टायसेस स्पॅन करता येतील. त्यामुळे हा ग्राफ हा हॅमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ नाही आहे. इट इज नॉट ॲन हॅमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ. ओके, कन्सिडर धिस ग्राफ. Starting from v1 to v2, v1 to v2, v2 to v3, v4, v5, v6, v7, then v8, v9, v10, v1, and is V9. So it covers all the edges of this graph. Therefore, it is a Hamiltonian graph. Also, we cover all the vertices of that graph. So therefore, this graph is Hamiltonian graph and Eulerian graph. Okay. Now see one more graph. Now this graph is Hamiltonian graph, but it is not Eulerian graph. Check it. Check. We start with the vertex V1, V1 to now V1 to, okay. We start with vertex V1, V1 to V10, V10 to V9, V9 to V8, then V7, V3, here going to V3, V2, V1, again going to this V3, V4, V5, V7, V4, and again we going to this way. So one edge will remains. Therefore, this is not an Eulerian graph, but it covers all the vertices of the graph. Look at this: V1 to V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7, V8, V9, V10, and closed. So here we get a closed cycle or closed path which cover all the vertices of the graph. Therefore, this graph is Hamiltonian graph, but it is not Eulerian graph since it does not have all the, or it doesn't contains all the edges of the graph. Therefore, this graph is not an Eulerian graph. So, see one by one. First example, in our first example, first graph, it is called as a Peterson graph and it is not Hamiltonian graph since we can't get any closed cycle which covers all the vertices of the graph. Second example of the graph, it is an Hamiltonian graph and it is Eulerian graph also. And the third example is the graph which is Hamiltonian graph but not Eulerian graph. So remember one thing, that the difference between Eulerian graph and Hamiltonian graph. Hamiltonian graph contains a path which covers all the vertices of the graph, and Eulerian graph is the graph which contains a trail or cycle which covers all the edges of the graph G. It is the basic difference between Eulerian graph and Hamiltonian graph. Okay.